How to share a Claude AI chat link. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create and share a snapshot of your Claude conversation. First, open Claude on your computer or in your web browser. Open the chat conversation you want to share. Before sharing it, review the conversation and make sure it doesn't contain any private or sensitive information that you don't want others to see. Next, look at the top right corner of the chat and click the Share button. A pop-up will appear explaining how shared conversations work. Click Share again to create the shareable link. Claude will generate a unique link containing a snapshot of the conversation. Once the link has been created, click Copy Link. You can now paste the link into an email, message, document, or anywhere else you want to share it. Keep in mind that anyone who has access to the shared link may be able to view the conversation snapshot, so only share it with people you trust. And that's it. You've successfully created and shared a Claude AI chat link. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more helpful AI and Claude tutorials.